You know, a lot of people ask me कि तुमने रीडिंग कब से शुरू कर दी एंड व्हेन डिड यू बिकम अ रीडर. And I don't know how to answer the question because I actually never decided. I never woke up one day and decided कि मैं आज से book reading शुरू कर दूँगी and I'll become a reader. It just happened, I guess. And looking back now, I realized that books quietly became a part of my life long before I even noticed it. I've genuinely believed that I've always been into reading. Like even before I knew it was a thing. I mean, I remember being this little schoolgirl who would read her English chapters again and again, not because there was a test, but because I actually liked it. I mean, we had stories of Alice in Wonderland, Gulliver's Travel, Medusa's Head, then Mula Nasruddin, Akbar and Birbal, Tenali Rama, and so many more. So I think I wasn't trying to become a reader back then, but I was curious, intrigued, and subconsciously that never stopped. And then I grew up, went to college, and just like every other dramatic teenager, I got into romance novels. Because what are you supposed to read at 17? Physics? No. So I read a lot of books, and one day I got sick of it. Not reading, but reading the same things over and over again. So that's when the shift happened, and I decided to explore other genres. Also, I genuinely wanted to improve my English. I wanted to sound confident, articulate, maybe even throw in a Shashi Tharoor level word once in a while. And that's when I fell into the self-help rabbit hole. And suddenly, I was reading about mindset, discipline, motivation, focus, habits, etc. Basically trying to fix my entire life one chapter at a time. So let me tell you what reading really did to me. First, it enhanced my vocabulary and my command over any language. Because when you read regularly, you don't just learn new words, but you learn to express yourself more properly. And I think when you have the exact words to express your feelings, you feel more confident and you express yourself better. Second, reading improves imagination. Whether you're into creativity or not, reading expands your mental world. Because when you read, you visualize, you imagine scenes, conversations, people, and their world. So when you read regularly, you become creative without even you realizing it. Third, self-help books. Now I know some people roll their eyes at them, but these books actually teaches you to stay calm, manage stress, take responsibility, and change your habits. So speaking for myself, I think I've become more wise, calm, compassionate after reading these self-help books. Let's be honest, there is a surface level benefit. When people know you read, they automatically assume that you're smart. So they are like, oh, she reads, she must be intelligent. And not gonna lie, that image helps. So if you're in your 20s or 30s and you're thinking that I wasn't a reader in school, so I can't start now, then that's not true. You can become a reader anytime. So start with something fun, interesting, or something that pulls you in. Remember, reading is not just about looking intellectual, it's about building a mind that feels stronger, calmer, and more confident. If this video resonated with you or reminded you of your reading journey, then please do let me know in the comments below. If you want more content on books, mindset, motivation, etc., you know where to find them. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I know you're smart, you will. And thank you for watching. Bye.